Hi, I'm back with another Upshot.ai use case video. How to help your customers define your product roadmap. Here's the situation. One of the social networking apps has been using Upshot.ai for its onboarding, communication, and gamification needs. As a part of their product roadmap, the team has a well-defined list of features derived from the product analytics provided by Upshot.ai. They wanted to include their customers while planning the features to be released. The goal of the app team was to make users participate in the planning the features to be released without much effort. Here's the challenge. The app team wanted to avoid the traditional route of conducting focus group customer interviews to decide the release strategy. Instead, they wanted to make their active users to participate in the planning process without spending additional time and money. To solve this challenge, the Upshot.ai customer success team worked with the app team to run a micro-survey campaign using Upshot.ai. The survey asked the active users to help prioritize the feature release process. Based on the input from the users, the team has released features that the users wanted the most. They also communicated the release is based on the percentage of the users who voted for it. Upshot.ai tutorials provided contextual coach marks to users to onboard to the released feature. Every release was followed by a micro-survey campaign to seeing their feedback on that feature. The result for it was, there was a 3x increase in the monthly active users and a 48% increase in the feature adoption. Upshot.ai features used here are micro-survey, tutorial, and push notification. Do you want to increase your app's monthly active users and feature adoption? Contact us.